Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Wednesday, the 25th of May. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather will stay wet and stormy at times through tomorrow night, and then a beautiful holiday weekend is coming up. Let's talk about it. This is the upper air look, a very, very impressive upper low and trough over the Great Plains state. You typically don't see that here in late May, but that's setting the stage for the unsettled weather. There's the visible satellite view. Got a few breaks in the cloud cover across the state, but generally cloudy conditions across Alabama. We've got one band of storms near the Georgia border, another batch of storms approaching the state from the west over eastern Mississippi. And we'll deal with that second batch of storms over the next several hours. Temperatures are mostly in the 70s because of clouds and rain. Demopolis managing 80, but look at Auburn. They've got 68. Anniston 69, where rain continues to fall. We have a flash flood watch in effect for parts of southwest Alabama and the Florida Panhandle. A severe thunderstorm watch in effect for parts of eastern Mississippi because of the activity there. Around the nation, that's really about it. The rest of the U.S. is quiet. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. In Alabama, we now have a slight risk, which is level 2 out of 5, and the broad zone from near Tuscaloosa down to Mobile. That's with this new activity coming in from Mississippi. There's a low-end tornado threat with the storms, but the main threat would be from hail and strong winds. The rest of the state in a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk for tonight. And then tomorrow, the entire state in a marginal risk. That's level 1 out of 5. Same thing. Chance of hail, strong winds, and maybe a brief isolated tornado somewhere. That's somewhat of a low-end threat. We'll talk about the specifics on that in a moment. Here's the broader outlook for tomorrow. The risk extends north up into parts of the Great Lakes. This is day 3, Friday. A risk of severe storms up and down the Atlantic seaboard. Day 4, Saturday. Chance of severe weather across the high plains. And then on Sunday, day 5, a risk of severe weather for parts of Minnesota and some of the adjacent states. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The southwest remains dry. Additional rain here between 2 and 3 inches, and the bulk of that will be between now and tomorrow night. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Look at that upper low that's over southern Missouri. Wow, very impressive. Down below that, a surface low is north of St. Louis, and obviously it's going to be another wet day, not raining all day. This is the high-res NAM. At 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, one batch of storms coming in. Probably at that hour, not severe. The main issue, heavy rain, maybe some flooding. This is 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Another line coming in from the west, and those storms could be strong to severe. This is the instability, and there's a little bit. Typically in May, numbers are higher than this, but we've got instability. The Cape, about 1,000 joules for the northern part of the state, higher over southeast Alabama, and there is a degree of storm relative helicity here, veering of the wind with altitude in relation to storm motion. And that's because of that deep upper low, and that just might bring an isolated rotating updraft or two. This is the STP. Numbers are not that high. And again, the risk of a brief tornado, it's not zero, but not overly high. The main concern, hail and gusty winds. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow night, and at that point, the bulk of the storm should be east and south of Birmingham. And then after that, we're going to be good for a while. This is Friday. We'll be in a dry slot. Now, up in the Tennessee Valley, Huntsville, the Shoals, Athens, Scottsboro, there could be a few scattered showers underneath the cold core upper low. But for the rest of the state, the sky partly sunny with highs in the mid to upper 70s. Amazingly pleasant for late May. This is Saturday, a great day to start the holiday weekend. Sunny with low 80s. Sunday, a sunny day with upper 80s. Monday, Memorial Day, a sunny day. High close to 90. Tuesday, we're still dry with a sunny sky. This is a week from today, Wednesday, the 1st of June, first day of meteorological summer. Got a 591 upper high just north of here, and again, we're dry with a high close to 90. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday, June 4th. Heights coming down a little bit, and there could be a few spotty showers toward the end of next week, but for now, we see nothing especially widespread. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble, the mean, a bit over 3 inches between now and the 10th of June, and a lot of that's going to be between now and tomorrow night. Temperatures mid to upper 70s tomorrow and Friday, low 80s Saturday. And then next week, highs around 90 on most days, about what you expect for the first part of June. And the latest 8 to 14 day outlook just in. This is for June 2nd through June 8th. Temperatures below average up north, a little above average down here across the Deep South. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.